95 lakh crore rupees and counting. Corporate leaders promised to invest big bucks in Andhra Pradesh on day 2 of the Investors Summit. 32 MOUs have been inked so far. Kritika, Saxena and Deepthi Baithini bring us this story.
Well, like most investor summits, the AP summit was also to attract investments into the state, but this time the challenge is bigger because AP is a newer state. However, the Chief Minister is confident that AP will be amongst the top 3 states in terms of GDP growth in the country by 2022.
Yeah, in fact, Andhra Pradesh aspires to be the engine driving India towards double-digit growth rate. We caught up with Power Minister and Urban Development Minister here at the AP Investor Summit. Listen in.
I believe in the years to come we have very ambitious plans to ramp up renewable energy as globally conscious citizens, to ramp up the power produced by coal thermal plants.
States are now supposed to prepare for a special purpose vehicle. Then the money which I am giving, Government of India is giving, that can be used as a seed money, that permission we have given. Lot of countries are showing interest. Almost all 34 countries have shown interest to join the smart city program in the country.
Several corporate houses, including Reliance Group, Suzlon, Bharat Forge, Bharti Enterprises, committed investing huge capital in the state. We caught up with some of them to understand why they were bullish on AP and to get a sense of their overall business outlook for 2016 and their business plans.
We will set up a whole automotive component manufacturing activity which will come up near Nellore. We are looking at least 3 facilities out there. Second will be a manufacturing activity more focused in defense and aerospace. In each of these areas it's over 1,000 crores. I think in one case it's close to about 1,200, in the other case it's about 1,400 crores.
Going forward, of course, looking at the digital inclusion, the vision of the Honorable Chief Minister, we would like to not only partner with them in rolling out services to the hinterland of the state, but more importantly also partner with them in setting up the smart cities.
This financial year, almost we are executing a 300 megawatt project. It's roughly 2,000 crore rupees just in the next 3 months.
They are already providing some benefits to large investors, etc. But in our case, we just want to expand our operations here and just be assured that everything will be taken care of, because we have to deal with farmers, so we have to be careful that the policies are stable.
Meanwhile, we also caught up with Apollo Hospital's chairman Pratap Reddy, Godrej and India head of Foxconn to understand their expansion plans for the state and to get a business outlook.
Andhra Pradesh is a very interesting state for agriculture and for Godrej Agrovet.
Okay. So in terms of investment, how much investment would you put into the state at this point in time?
We have these are not very capital investments, but they have a huge impact on lots of farmers. But I'm guessing that we already have and we will invest up to 300 to 400 crores in Andhra Pradesh.
We're quite happy to say that we started operations in June, and we have started manufacturing operations for 7 brands in our operations, and every month we've been adding about 1,000 people, so we have about 6,000 people working in our premises right now.
I think in healthcare we have brought to India and to the world whatever is available to manage almost all diseases. Today, for what we have done the clinical quality is equivalent to the best in the world, but our costs are 10% of the international cost.
Meanwhile, Andhra Pradesh unveiled its retail policy and reassured 21-day clearance for its projects.
And going ahead, the aim is to encourage investors to come in, and for that, they will increase tax incentives and tax benefits for investors across the board. With that, it's a wrap on day 2 of the Andhra Pradesh Sunrise Summit.